Welcome back, guys. Let's continue from where we left off. So we have done all of this stuff, and right now what we have left to do is the text here. We want to write this text. Okay, so what you can see is Photoshop made easy. Now this text, I used a font called, I'll go to your browser. I want to show you a font you should download. I use this font a lot, Montserrat font download. Okay, so that's the spelling, Montserrat font download. Okay, so go to Google Fonts and Google Fonts and download the font family and install them. Install everything you have in your real file. Okay, now when you're done with that, you come back to your work. Okay, come back to your work, select the text tool and type in, make sure your caps lock is on, type in Photoshop and move to the next line by clicking on enter. Made easy. Okay, Photoshop made easy. Okay, the reason why, and click on this mark here. Okay, or choose your move to. So let me confirm and choose my move tool. Now the reason why you are seeing the text behind the design we have here is because it's behind it. When I put it on it, it comes on it. And I put it at the top. I want to don't put it in the folder, put it at the top. Okay, put it at the top like that. And now double click on your text icon here in the layer panel. Now select this icon. I already told you about this icon. Select this icon and you have this panel here helping you to edit your text. Okay, make sure you've selected your text. If you don't select your text, any editing you do won't be applied. So make sure all your text is selected. Now you want to change the font to Montserrat. So what I do is that I clear the my read from there by selecting all and typing Montserrat. That's the spelling. So it brings me a list of Montserrat fonts, and I want to go in with the bold. I think I use the extra bold. Okay, so let's go in for the Montserrat extra bold. Okay, now you realize that it has changed, the font type has changed. Okay, now what we want to do is I think the font size is it big enough? It's okay, 18 is okay. So put the font size on 18. If you want to change it, just put your mouse cursor and you're dragging left and right. Put it on the text icon here, the two T's, and be dragging it. Okay, now I want to maintain this 18. I think 16 would be good. Okay, 16 is good from what I'm doing. All right, now you have these two A's here. Okay, you want to put your cursor on it and drag them left or drag them right instead. So when you drag it right, you realize that the space here has been reduced. Okay, reduce the space in between the Photoshop and made easy. Now you have VA. Okay, use this VA, drag it left to close up the spaces in the words. Okay, like that. I don't want it to be spaced out that much, so I want it -40 like this. Okay, it depends on the font size you're using, so -40 and all that. Now I'm done. Okay, once you're done, you can use your mark here or click on any empty area, or you can even click on the move to save it. Now let's click on the move to select the text and position it well. Now if you're having issues moving the text, you realize that when you move the text, you move any of these, undo. Okay, select that particular layer, for instance this, and lock it. You can lock the movement or lock the whole layer. So I want to lock it because I don't want to apply any changes to it. Now this background, I'm done with it. I want to lock it. The image here, I'm done with it, so I want to also lock that. and this group here too, the PS group, I can rename to PS. Okay, the PS group, I'm done with it, so I'm also going to lock that so we can work with this. Okay, now let's put it somewhere here. I'm going to resize it. It's too big for me. I'm going to resize it a bit and place it somewhere here. Now once I'm done, I'm going to look for the next thing to do. I think this. Oh, okay, so it was not in caps. I'm going to change this from caps to Photoshop made easy. I think this is nicer. What do you think? Okay, so Photoshop made easy. This is nicer. Okay, now what we want to do is put is my Photoshop journey for beginner series. Okay, so we want to write that on top of this. So what you do is select your text tool again and place it up. My all in small letter, my Photoshop series. Okay, series for beginners. Sorry, for beginners, like that. Now select all by Control A. Open this your panel here. Just use this icon to open the panel and reduce the size to like 10. 10 is too big. Reduce it like 6. I think 6 is good. Now change the extra bold to like regular. Regular is regular, good. Light, I think regular is good. Now 6 is too big. Change it to 4. Okay, and let's check what we have here. It says my Photoshop journey for beginner series. Okay, my Photoshop journey, right? Journey for beginners series. Okay, now you want to drop the beginner series down like that. You realize that when I drop it down, there is this space here. Select all and place this on auto. It closes the gap. The gap is too big, so manipulate it to suit what you want. I want it to be closed. Closed like that. Okay, I think it's good. 4 is good for me. Now I want to mark here and select the move tool to move it. Okay, move it somewhere here. Okay, and push it a bit up and double click on the text icon here in the layer panel and change the color. Okay, click on the color box here and change it to this color. Okay, so pick this color and change it to that color and save it. Now you have your two texts ready.